Alright, let me just do a real quick tutorial here. If you ever want to cook salmon, check out this slice. It's a nice slice of salmon. Let me recommend you my fucking best cooking techniques here. Now with salmon, the best way you can fucking cook this shit, this piece, you want to bake that boy. You don't want many fucking breadcrumbs on that boy. You want to bake them. And I'll tell you what you want to use. You want to use fucking parsley flakes. Use real parsley if you've got it. You know, not dried. Garlic and pepper seasoning. Or just garlic. Doesn't matter. Get some garlic in there. And Old Bay's the fucking trick, my man. That's the secret. If you ever want some fucking salmon, that's what I recommend. I'll be back.
It's a nice piece of salmon right there.
Salmon master.
Alright, now obviously, it goes without saying, when you're cooking salmon, it goes in 350 degrees Fahrenheit, not Celsius, for 15 minutes. That's how you make the perfect fucking cut of salmon. That's what I'll tell you. Oh, the great thing about fucking dried parsley, too, is it looks like fish food. So when you put it on the salmon, it's like you're feeding a fish, except the fish is you. Oh.